Number 1 is asking us to find the inverse, and if you remember what that means, it's just that we have to switch the x and y. So it may be easier to see this f of x instead with a y, so let's just rewrite this as y equals 9x minus 4. And we're just going to switch the x and y, so wherever I see a y, I'm going to write that as an x, and wherever I see an x, I'm going to write that as a y. So let's rewrite this. To find the inverse, I'll put an x here. Is equal to 9 times y minus 4. And then what we do is, remember, y is our output, so we want to get that by itself. So now we solve for y to get y as our output. And what do I get? Well, let's see. If I want to get y by itself, I'm going to have to add 4 to both sides. So let's do plus 4. Those aren't like terms, so I'll keep it the same. So I'm going to end up with x plus 4 is equal to 9y. And then I still have to divide by 9 to get y by itself. And remember, if I divide this by 9, this does distribute to both. So I can do it right now, or I can just put all over 9. But make sure you put the 9 over both of them. And so when I get my final answer, I'm going to get x over 9. And then distributing to the 4, it's plus 4 over 9 is equal to y by itself. And obviously I can just switch this back around, but if you want, you can also replace the y with the f inverse notation, which is you see in the answer. So our answer is just f inverse of x is equal to x over 9 plus 4 over 9, which is C.